phone niya na service. Happy Horizon, hello, shut up. Why you don't have moderator? How I wonder but they're back again. It's like a long lost friend. I was so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every rose will shine. Every shilling that they're starting to sing so fine. Eric Batasay, shout out. Yes, merong manok. Marami. Nasa likod ng bahay. Nasa likod bahay yung manok. Yes, roaster. Marami. Nasa likod ng bahay. Nasa probinsya ako eh. Thanks, Ma'am Bicolana. Welcome po. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagbisita. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or am I really lying here with you? Baby, that's it. Yes, that's why. Many rosters around. Dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go. Why? Just fall in love again. And when I Sir Happy Horizon, mega love shout out from Eric Batasay. Shout out 12 million people. Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you in the night just seems to fly. Easy for you to tell me to the star. Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes. No, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go. I just fall in love again. And when I do, can tell myself I'd fall in love with you. Dilim. I am in my room. Gabi dito, gabi. Yes, gabi. Malilim. Thank you, Sir Habi. Eric Batasay. Share, shout out. $10 million. Newly awake. Ha? Awakened? Oo. Kagigising lang. Tawa ka dyan. Ang dilim. Di ba may lighting to? But I give you it all. I am a woman in love. Ayan, may lights. Ang dilim ko. Wala kasi akong ilaw, guys. Yan. Ang dilim ko. Early wake up, early bird. Daw? Hapon na kaya? Hapon na. Haven't had breakfast yet? I do have breakfast. Kanina pa. Bakit English kayo? Sige, wait lang. Ano ba yan? Kaya pala eh. Foreigner kami. Kaya pala nagtataka ako, English na naman. Ayaw mo noon, magaling kami. Magaling kami mag-English. Yes. You will practice your English here. It's okay. You should practice your English. Diba? Sabi, Dragon Gaming, hello. Dilim, patayin ko na. English Carabao. Yes, it's okay. English Carabao. No problem. Alone again to face the world. Antok pa ako. Matulog muna ako, guys. Ayan, thank you Sir Eric Batusaya and Happy Horizon and Dragon Gaming, thank you so much. I have to go. Bye-bye. Tulog ka uli. Oo, matutulog ako. Tulog uli ako. May ano ba? May hangover ba? Tulog lang ako. Bye-bye guys. Thank you. Sir Eric, bye. Thank you, Happy. Thank you. Bye-bye.